Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kritika and I'm a certified cosmetologist and I make beauty related videos every week. So if that is something that interests you, then please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So today I'll be creating this everyday makeup look using products under 1000 rupees. So if you want to find out how I create this look, then please continue watching. So the first step is to prep the skin, and for that I'm going to use this Pore Superlight Gel. It's oil-free moisturizer and I really love this. It's very lightweight. Next I'm going to use this PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. It's a gel based formula. It's a silicone based formula and it is really great for people who have large pores like me. So primer basically creates a barrier between our skin and the makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with a concealer which is slightly darker than my skin tone, 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin tone, to hide my dark spots and pigmentation and dark circles. So for that I'm using MegaGlo Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. For foundation, I'll be using Daily Life Forever 52 foundation in the shade FLF 007. This matches me completely 100%, and I will mix 1 drop of Nykaa Strobe&Glow liquid highlighter for that overall glow, and this is in the shade Blushed Moonlight. I love this foundation so much. It's so lightweight and it has a medium to full coverage. You can build it up and it has a wonderful stay power. I really like this foundation. Now I'll use my highlighting concealer to brighten up the center of my face, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light. I really love this concealer. I mean, who doesn't love the Fit Me range? It's really good and affordable. So I'm just gonna put some under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and center of my forehead. Now to set everything in place, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I'm not gonna apply a lot of powder on my face because I want it to be glowing and dewy. I don't want it to be completely matte. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes very well, but rest of the face I will use very less powder. For bronzer and blush, I'll be using this palette from LA Girl. This is their Beauty Brick Bar and it's in the shade Glow. And it has 2 blushes and 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. You can see how much I have used these 2 I really like the blushes and bronzer, but I'm not a fan of this highlighter because it's very chunky, so I hardly ever use it. So I will take this bronzer shade on my contour brush and I will slightly bronze up my face. And I'm taking this very light pink blush on my blush brush and I will apply it on the apples of my cheek. Now that I have applied all the powder products on my face, so I'll fix everything with this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It has a very light spray. It is not harsh on the skin, it's very lightweight. So I'll just shake it and I will spray it on my face. It's a very light spray. I really like this and it fixes the makeup very well. Now let's come to the eyes. So for the eyebrows, if I'm going for a natural look, I just leave my eyebrows as it is. I just use a spoolie and I brush my eyebrows. That's it, because my eyebrows are already very fluffy, so I don't like to define them when I'm going for a natural look. But if you want an affordable eyebrow pencil, then I would recommend you to get this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. It's really nice. But for now, I'm just gonna use my spoolie brush and I will simply just brush my eyebrows. Now I will use again Fit Me concealer for priming my eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm using my new purchase from Wet n Wild. It's their Color Icon Rose in the Air palette. Also, it will be my first time using this palette, so it's also a first impression. So first I'll be using this transition shade for my transition area. Now I'll be taking this shade from the palette on a flat brush and I will apply it all over my lid. For $5.99 this palette is amazing. The blendability is very nice. I'm so far liking this, but I will test it out more and I will be putting up tutorials using this palette on my Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram. Now I will be taking my smudger brush and I will take this shade, which is slightly darker than the other two, and I will apply it on my lower lash line. And then I will be blending that with this shade again. For mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. It's really nice. It curls the lashes very well and gives volume also. And now it's time for some more glow. So for that, I will be using Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Powder. This is also my new purchase. For lipstick, I'm using Makeup Revolution and Soph's Nude collection, which is in the shade Syrup. So yeah, that's the final look. I hope you liked it, and that's pretty much how I do my regular everyday no makeup look. And all of these products are worth investing in. If you are a beginner, you should totally go for them. I really love using these products. Also, I'll be mentioning and linking every product that I have used in the description below, so you can totally check that out. I hope you like this tutorial. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.